Nakita na to matag adlaw. Pero giaksyonan ba nato? Kinsa ang mulihok? Kita ba o ang gobyerno? Ingon ang Ginoo, lihok tao aron ka mabuhi. Unsa pa man imong giwat. Matag adlaw sa atong kinabuhi. Kita nangitag panginabuhi. Apan sa wala damha, dili kita makalikay sa sakit. Usa sa dakbayan sa Sumbo, makita nato ang atong sapa. Makita ang mga basura parihas sa plastic, karton, wire, chemical waste nga makasakit natong mga tao. Ang trabaho ang usa sa source of income sa usa ka tawo. Nay high income and low income. Si dili graduate, makagahin lamang sila og minimum wage kan sa ilang gipang trabahuan. Kung atong tan-awon, unfair siya sa usa ka tawo nga wala kagadwar sa usa sa mga prestiyosong eskwelahan sa atong Sumbo. Ang adunay high income, ang katong mga nakagadwar lamang, maong dili muunlad ang Pilipinas. Usa ang supo sa daghan o produkto sama sa gulay, prutas ug uban pa. Kinahanglan nato ni sa matag adlaw natong panginabuhi. Turismo pinaka-importante sa usa ka dakbayan. Atong ekonomiya, job offer, cultural exchange gikan sa mga foreigner hangtod natong mga taga-dakbayan. Importante kini para madako ang atong ekonomiya. Let's interview her.
Hello, my name is Raymar Iborta and I am an SD counselor of our Barangay Pungkol, Sibugay.
Okay, good afternoon, Mr. Harpe. Sir, a question for you is why is it important to have sustainable projects?
Alright, it is very essential to have a sustainable projects because it is where the people in our community will benefit when they positive impact towards the project. But before that, let me define what is sustainable project first. Sustainable project is a project where it will long last not only for a month, not only for a week, but it will long last in a long period of time. And it will definitely give an impact to maintain a clean and healthy environment towards a citizen in a country or in a community.
So, Mr. Harpe, can you state some examples of your project within the sustainability?
Alright, so as an SD counselor who is assigned in the Committee of Environment, one of my sustainable program is the UU program. So have you noticed that the UU, kung mo siya iana sa ground, mubalik siya nimo. So ako siya i-relate sa pag-maintain sa cleanliness. If ever, kung sa imong mabuhat mo sa environment or sa imong community, mubalik na sa imong. So if mo segregate sa imong basura, and imo ibutang sa saktong basurahan, then nasa yung positive impact na mabalik sa imo. But if matagal ka labay, then there is a tendency na flash floods and ako ka siya kadaot na may dulot sa ako. Not only sa imo kalingon but sa whole community where you are belonging.
So, why is it important to recycle your trashes?
It is very important for us to segregate our trashes properly because if mag-segregate mo sa itong trashes properly, kana makatabang siya para malisen ang ato ang pollution. And especially karon we experience an extreme heat from the sun, it is because we are very responsible in segregating our waste materials. And by segregating our waste, we can identify what are those mga materials na pwede pa ma-recycle o sa itong gamito na ito ay decompose para makatabang siya sa other factors sa itong environment and para sa ma-stop na ito what do you call this one? Ang pagdipis sa ozone layer that is caused by the carbon dioxide tungkol sa kanang pag-burn ng mga plastics and para mahunong na ang greenhouse effects.
So, we will leave you a quote, which means that God gave us green. Now let's keep it clean. We all know that in our times it's not very important anymore, the environment, which means that other government officials that are slowly deconstructing everything, which means that we people need to voice out in order for us to have a good environment, which means the cleanliness starts at your home. If hugawan ka sa inyong balay, then hugawan ka sa gawas. But when you are very cleanliness or you're very hygienic person, then you become very clean person environment. You don't like trashes, which means that you like trashes going to the trash cans. That's a very good example.
Everyone has the right to live in a great place. More importantly, everyone has the right to contribute to making the place where they already live great.
Preserving the cleanliness of our environment isn't just a duty, it is a testament to our respect for the world and a gift to future generations.